Hi everyone, it's Evie doing another acrylic pour. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, I've covered the canvas in Floetrol. And we'll do a 2-cup pour. Or shall we do 3? We will do 3. But one of the cups, we're starting with a dirty cup of something I just poured. And since it's the same colors, I don't think it really matters. So we'll do 3. So the first color I'm putting in, I'm only putting this in 1 cup. I'm putting a little bit of black. Not a lot, just a little. Okay. Next, the other cups we'll start with turquoise. And so 1 cup, the cup that's got the black in it, that cup will be the center cup. So that cup will be filled. The other 2 cups won't be as filled. Okay, so let's do white next. Not too much white. Actually, this one can have as much white. Okay. Next we'll do the dark violet. We'll do the violet next. Just a little bit of violet. Okay, now my paints are golden paints with Floetrol, and then a little tiny bit of alcohol and some of this stuff right here as my silicone. This is a coconut milk serum, OGX coconut milk serum, and it works really well to get me cells. Next we'll do the lighter violet. I don't have much of this left, so I'm going to use it all up. Okay. Next, how about we'll put a tiny bit of white in between what comes next. Okay. Next we'll put in the pinks. Put in the dark pink. And the lighter pink. Okay. Next, we'll layer it. I'm trying to think, shall I put in another layer of black in here? How about just a tiny bit? Tiny layer of black. Okay, and then we'll put in the turquoise. Good. What did we have in there next? We'll put in, oh, I think I put in a tiny bit of white. We'll put in the dark violet, the lighter violet. Come on, come on. There you go. The darker pink, the lighter pink, which I'm gonna have to work to get out. There we go. Okay, now time to flip. So we'll get another canvas. This one's covered in plastic, and I'm going to put the full cup in the center. The other 2 cups will be right here. We'll bring them all towards the center so that it'll be easier to flip. Okay, ready, set, flip. Okay, so we'll give it a minute. I think that's been my problem in the past, is that I'm really impatient and I don't give it time to settle. The paint needs time to settle. So I will give it a minute. So I'll see you back here in a minute or two. Okay, it's been a few minutes. Let's go ahead and see what we can see. So we'll go this way. Let's see. We'll go this way a little and then ready, set. Okay, I didn't get all the way over here. Okay, ready, set. Ooh. This corner's getting nothing. Ready, set. There we go. Okay. Yay. So we have tons of cells. So let's go this way first. Yeah, let's go to this corner first. Let's go up here. Ooh, I don't want to lose all my good cells. Let's go this way. Let's go this way. Great, okay. I've lost most of the cells there. Now let's go slowly, slowly this way. There we go. So now let's go down. Okay. Down this side, we need some paint. Oh, let's move this up a little. So you can see down this side we need some paint. Come on, paint, come out. Come on out, paint. I guess there isn't enough paint in there to come out. Okay. Okay, let's get the corners done. Let's get the corners done. Okay, this corner. Let's get you done. Okay, I wonder this corner. This corner. There we go. This isn't too bad. I think my issue with the other one that had black in it is that I didn't let it sit long enough, so the black was right on top. But this one sat for a little bit, and so most of the black is on the bottom, and the black was just in the center one anyway. So now I know how to deal with having black in the paint. Okay. It's looking pretty good. I like it. Okay, let's get closer. So now let's take a closer look. So there's a bunch of the pink at the bottom. There's some black in the center. There's a lot of the turquoise. Okay. I wonder what will happen if I add some heat to it. Let's see if I add some heat, if I can get some more cells, okay? Okay, let's see if I heat it up, if I can get some more cells. I have my blow dryer. Okay, so not a huge amount of change, but a little bit of change. As you can see down here in the pink, some more things came out, some more cells came out in the pink. This used to be more solid pink, but now there's a lot more going on here. And also up here, too. More is going on. Just a tiny bit. Just teeny tiny cells. To me, this looks like this is the ground right here, the pink and the blue here. Then there's a cave over here. I don't know what that pink thing is. That looks like a creature walking into the cave. Something like that. Okay, thanks for watching.